Rich results dominate search results, okay? Rich results like snippets, carousels, knowledge panels, they grab users' attention. Schema markup improves your chances of being featured in these high visibility areas. All right, schema markup and structured data. We saw it a bunch of times in the early sections here. Why is it so important? Well, schema markup and structured data are ways to help the search engines better understand your website's content. By providing additional context through code that they helped write, in fact, create, you make it easier for the engines to display rich results, such as those feature snippets, FAQs, product reviews, and more. These enhancements not only improve your visibility, but they also make your content more engaging and more clickable within the search results. It also gives you the potential to get into those zero-click searches too, right? Talked about that earlier. So why is it important? Well, rich results dominate search results, okay? Rich results like snippets, carousels, knowledge panels, they grab users' attention. Schema markup improves your chances of being featured in these high visibility areas. It also, by using schema markup, it enhances search engine understanding, right? Structured data helps the engines interpret complex content like event dates, product information, or recipes. And it ensures that your content is presented accurately and contextually in search results because you're feeding it to them in a language that they helped create. And it helps boost click-through rates. Rich results stand out. They increase the likelihood that users will click on your link, and users trust results with additional details like ratings and prices or FAQs that they can see on the screen. Best practices, make sure you use the right schema types. Implement schema types relevant for your content like FAQs, how-tos, local business, organization, product. Refer to schema.org for the comprehensive list of schema types and their proper usage, although Google has their own gallery, and I have a link to it somewhere as well here, that is just like a subset of schema. That's really what Google shows on their page. That's the one to really focus on more. Prioritize commonly used schema types like articles for blog posts and other content, reviews, breadcrumbs that you might see at the top of a page, and test your markup. Make sure any of your structured data is tested using Google's rich results test, making sure that it's correctly written and correctly implemented. Regularly audit your schema to ensure it's compatible with any search engine updates that might be going on. They may have added some new stuff, may have required some new things, and you want to kind of keep an eye on it. And fix errors or warnings that have been identified in Google Search Console. Integrate FAQs and how-to schema. Add FAQ schema to pages that answer common customer questions. Use how-to schema for step-by-step guides that tracks users seeking actionable advice on how to do things, and include concise, accurate information that aligns with users' intent. Conclusions here, adding schema markup and structured data to your website ensures that search engines can fully understand your content and display it in the most impactful way, right? It is a critical step in standing out in search results, driving more traffic, and improving user engagement. I mean, let's face it, we saw this over and over and over again in the previous sections on what we need to focus on in 2025. All of this really boils down to structured data, schema markup. By putting that into your content, you are going to be giving yourself a huge amount of bonuses and benefits. So don't skip it. Don't wait on it. Get on it. Make sure it's right. Make sure you do it. I've got 4 good links here. One to the schema.org official website, to the Google supported structured data markup gallery. That's the subset of schema.org. That's just what Google has on their homepage. The rich results testing tool and a comprehensive guide to structured data written by Moz. Another good tool right there.